Hey guys, welcome to the new series of this channel. So in this channel, we're going to take a look at the tech news that has come around. So without any further ado, let's start. So there is news from WhatsApp company has just released their new update in which they added a feature named Chat Lock. In this feature, you can lock the chat of a single user that you don't want any other person to look into. The next news is good news for the iOS. iPhone users had a complaint to Apple that they weren't able to connect with Windows properly, and the transfer of files was not convenient as the Apple system. So Windows came up with a fix with their app named Phone Link, in which you can connect both of your phones, including iOS and Android. With this app, you can now do voice calls, send messages, transfer files, and many more things, giving a somewhat similar experience like Apple ecosystem. Now, let's talk about Chat. This AI now has access to the internet. As you probably know that previously Chat didn't had any information after the year 2021 because it was trained till the data of 2021. So this starts a big war between Google Bard and Chat, but this feature is only going to be available to Plus users of the Chat, and also Chat's free version does not have this feature. The next news is from Google that Google has announced that the accounts that haven't logged in for 2 years are going to get deleted. So the data includes Drive, Files, YouTube account, videos, Gmail, Photos, and other Google services, and this deletion is going to be only for the accounts that are personal and not for businesses and school or organizations. So these were all the updates going into the tech field right now. Subscribe to be updated with the tech industry. Thanks for watching.